Welcome back to mine and Mike's Woodshop. Today is November 18th, and I don't know what this is. Well, I've been MIA for a little while. I had hurt my shoulder on a fire call back in July, and they did MRI. It's 50% tear. I went through 6 weeks of physical therapy, and when the doctor went in to operate, it was almost 100%. It was very, very little left. So there's anchors in there. I have to be like this till December when I go back to see him, and we'll see how I progress after that. So I can't really do many things. Sitting up at the table, trying to use my non-dominant hand with a mouse is a little awkward for me. Plus I have to sit so far away from the table because of my arm. It's just not comfortable. So I've been having a little bit of help inside with my wife and my son. They come out, they'll put the stuff on the machine. I'll tell them what to do on the computer, so luckily I could still make a couple things. I did make this recently. I don't know if people had seen it on Facebook and Instagram. My buddy Trevor Carter from Trevor's Woodshop. I'll leave a link down below, description below. He helped with that. It's his design. He's been helping me do a lot of patterns. I built this Gatton CNC a couple weeks ago before I had the shoulder surgery because I knew it was coming, and I wanted to get it built so that at least I can do some things while I'm laid up and can't lift anything. So I think going forward, hopefully in the new year, I can do a couple more videos and start moving around a little bit better. I'd like to do a couple of videos on the Gatton, how I use it, what I'm going to use it for, the software, and kind of give you like a beginner's perspective. I've come from a CAD background, so it's a little bit different than the software for this. So, if you guys want it, I'm going to put it out there. You guys could check back. Hopefully, I have a couple of tutorials on that. I think that's about it. I don't know. I think that's about it. So I'm going to be away from YouTube for probably another month or two. So sorry I haven't been around, but if you check out Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, I will post anything I cut on this great, or I call it the Orange Beast. I will be posting it, so keep an eye out for it. And that's leave a comment down below. I'll try and answer it as soon as I can, whether it's my helpers helping me or text to talk on the phone, which I found that to be pretty cool now, so I don't have to but that's about it. And hopefully I'll be well enough to travel to Atlanta in was it March, I believe, right? We're going to Atlanta woodworking show in March, so hopefully that'll be up and running. And that's just about it. So please keep in touch, and as always, be safe. That's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Be good.